500 yard villa, this would be it. It's modern, minimal and very inviting. As you enter, the light greets you. Double height lobby. There are floor to ceiling windows that make it so beautiful. There's greenery that's outside. As you step into the lounge, you see the cozy colors, the ambient lighting. It really makes the space very warm for gatherings or just for some downtime. The dining room extends into the courtyard, making indoor and outdoor flow seamlessly. It's perfect for hosting intimate dinners or grand gatherings. Downstairs, a private indoor pool awaits, a sanctuary for leisure, wellness and family moments, shielded from the city yet deeply connected to your home. The kitchen is very well designed. They have a butler's pantry right here, which is connected to the dining room. Then the kitchen is in the heart of the house, right in the center. There's natural light. There's a counter here where your family can enjoy meals while you cook and prep. The rooms are big in size. There's lots of natural light pouring in through the windows. The color palette is very soft and warm, making it great for winding down after a long day's work. This is more than just real estate. It's lifestyle, it's presence, it's a home. Join us for the open house on the 19th to the 21st of September, Friday to Sunday, 5 to 9 p.m. Make sure you don't miss it.